Hi, I'm Arina and I'm from Switzerland. I have been here for 6 weeks. Actually, it has always been my dream to volunteer in Africa in general, and this was part of my gap year, should have been basically. And because of COVID, I'm here now. It's just I wanted to work with animals, special animals that I don't have in Europe. That's why I'm here. I think the feeding of the outside animals in the reserve is the best thing. You just drive around and see all the animals, basically a private game drive. That's cool. I have learned to be more spontaneous because I was used to have daily tasks that are written on stone basically. So today you do this, next day you do that. Here it's different, so you have to be spontaneous and be flexible. Especially one point that comes to mind is the spec boom behind me. I haven't heard of that one, so I will definitely take that knowledge at home too. I'm a little bit more, less scared of spiders. I'm a little bit more open to spiders because I was really skittish of them, and now I got used to it more, so I will maybe have a little bit better understanding of them and that they're not really harmful or want to hurt you, and that's just a small thing. But the cheetah relocation was so cool. I've never been so close to a carnivore before, and it was just so nice to actually be part of the team, even though we were just volunteers, just to help them, and they really wanted us to help, and that was so cool. First challenge was definitely the heat. I haven't experienced working in that heat. It's just taking it step by step, not trying to focus on it, trying to get your mind somewhere else. And actually working did help a little bit because you had your mind focused on the work itself. But yeah, I think I'm a little bit more reliant now on the heat, like I can work through it. Take day by day, don't try to plan too much. Plans change here all the time. That's good, it's not something bad, it's just you have to get used to it at the beginning. Just try to go with the flow and enjoy your time here. Heat, teamwork, and wildlife. It's on the one hand really sad, especially because I will miss the people here the most. I mean, the animals are great here. It's just that I know that at one point I will come back to some part of Africa and I will see some of the same animals, but leaving the people behind that I met here for the 6 weeks, that's going to be hard. But I will just go home with a lot of good memories, a lot of knowledge, more knowledge than I had before about certain things, and yeah, I will miss them, but I will also just smile back on the time. Just thank you to all the people that made my time here better than I imagined it to be, hoped it to be. So yeah, all the people were just great. I don't have any bad thoughts about the people here, so thank you very much.